Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to play The Sims 4 multiplayer. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open any browser and search S4MP. Click on the first link, Sims 4 multiplayer home. This is the home page of The Sims 4 multiplayer. After that, scroll down to the FAQ section. These are the frequently asked questions. You can go through them for better understanding. Then scroll down and you will see this option, ready to start to play with your friends. Click on the download now option and you will be redirected to this page. Here you will see the download option for downloading this multiplayer mode. Click on it to download the mode, or you can also click on the install option if you have CurseForge launcher. The process of installation is very simple. Scroll down and you will find it here. Make sure that in multiplayer mode, there should be a host among all the players who is supposed to host the game. The first step is that the host should prepare a household that includes all the players' sims, and all players should enable mods and scripts option. For that, click on enable mods and scripts, click on continue, check that these two options of mods and scripts are ticked. Afterwards, the second step is to download the S4MP file and unzip it. Then in the settings tab, specify the path to the documents folder. Next you have to set the games folder path. Then you have to allow S4MP through firewall settings. And this is how you can play The Sims 4 multiplayer.